One of the interesting parts of Google Sheets is that when we copy and paste text or links or a lot of text in, sometimes it's not clipped. So you see this Ravensburger column here. It is clipped. It is with the setting here, clip text. This Amazon one, though, is not. And we don't find that out because it automatically will clip it if there is text in the next column over. But if we delete some of these, if we delete these text in the D column, in the C column you can see that it is not clipped. So there's a couple of issues here that you may be running into. One, you want to clip your text all the time. Two, you may not know that it's not clipped. You may copy and paste text from somewhere else and it gets unclipped, or you may copy and paste text from another sheet which doesn't have the correct formatting, but you want to automatically always have clipped text on maybe these two columns, C and D. I'm going to show you how to do that right now. Go to Extensions, AppScript. I'm going to name this clip text. We're going to write a function here on edit. Now this function is a built-in function. We just have to type the words here. And we're going to say every time we edit something, these two columns, C and D, on sheet 1, let's say, are going to be clipped. So let's do SpreadsheetApp.getActiveSpreadsheet, getting the entire file. Get sheet by name, and do in quotes sheet 1. We're going to get range starting with row 1, column 3, because it's C column. Actually, we can just do C:D here. We can just do it without having to do numbers. And here's the trick. We're going to set wrap strategies. So you just strategy. And I'm going to put this on a new line so you can see the whole thing. We're going to do SpreadsheetApp.WrapStrategy. Make sure these are capitalized exactly this way. Spreadsheet app, S and A, wrap strategy, W and S. If you do not capitalize these correctly, they won't work, or they should not work. And then we're going to do dot and in all caps clip. Now, there was a little bit of auto fill here that if I just do the correct way, and I can do dot clip, and I can just select it, so I don't have to type it all out. But if you're typing it all out, just make sure all of your capitalization is correct. And make sure you actually have this sheet. And I'm going to save this. I'm just going to click Command S, or there's a Save Project to Drive button right here next to Run. Now, this is one line, and that's all you have to do. Now, watch as if I add, let's say, another text here, everything is clipped. So even if I copy-paste from another sheet into here, if I change the text in any cell, it's going to automatically clip columns C and D here. If you want to change the range, do it right here in Get Range. If you want to change the sheet name, do it here. If you always want to do it on every single tab, and you don't want to have to name all of them, so just do getActiveSheet, and that will allow you to do it on every single sheet, same exact columns. But if you have very specific columns on different sheets, then I would say do it on just the sheet. And you can also copy and paste this to say, okay, do this on sheet 2 on column B through C, perhaps, or just B column. You can have multiple of these in here.
You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos, get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.